Christian College of Engineering, and I am a incubation student. I have learned Java full stack development in QSpiders. First, I want to thank Nandi sir. He take the Java classes and make me skilled in Java programming language. And I want to thank Karnika ma'am. She take the programming classes and make me more skilled in Java. And I want to thank Amit sir. He take the J2W class and framework class. He gave more knowledge about Java frameworks and backend knowledge. And I want to thank Tamil Selvan sir. He take the front-end classes like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. He make me more skilled about front-end. And I want to thank Rupini ma'am and Kogalpriya ma'am, our HRs. They provide more interview, more requirements, and give opportunity to showcase my skills. Thank you other faculties, and thank